Cockroach. Cockroaches are insects of the order Blattodea, which also includes termites. About 30 cockroach species out of 4,600 are associated with human habitats, and about 4 species are well known as pests. Cockroaches are somewhat generalized insects without special adaptation like the sucking mouthparts of aphids and other true bugs. They have chewing mouthparts and are likely among the most primitive of living neopteran insects. They are common and hardy insects and can tolerate a wide range of environments from Arctic cold to tropical heat. They have a relatively small head and a broad, flattened body, and most species are reddish-brown to dark brown. Males need energy to court females and defend territories, and their mating success is therefore typically associated with a high energy intake. To produce offspring, however, the male needs to have a good quality sperm to fertilize the oocytes. Furthermore, the eggs and the embryos need to survive and grow, which in addition to energy requires specific nutrients, first and foremost protein. In order to get a mate, the male cockroaches have to lure females into a mating position. They do this by secreting a sugar-rich substance from a gland in their abdomen. The male exposes his sugar glands by lifting his wing covers and turning his rear toward the female. The female crawls onto the male's back, and if she sits still for long enough they can mate, which she will if his secretions are sweet and tasty. Copulation lasts around 90 minutes, and a hook on a male's penis ensures that the female will not detach midway. During mating, the male transfers his sperm in a package known as spermatophore, which also contains nutrients from the female and the eggs. In order to get a mate, the male cockroach eggs. Females of the American cockroach lay their eggs in a hardened, purse-shaped egg case called an ootheca. About 1 week after mating, the female produces an ootheca, and at the peak of her reproductive period, she may form 2 oothecae per week. The females on average produce 1 egg case a month for 10 months, laying 16 eggs per egg case. The female nymph. The nymphal stage begins when the egg hatches and ends with the emergence of the adult. The number of times an American cockroach molts varies from 6 to 14. The first instar American cockroach is white immediately after hatching, then becomes grayish-brown. After molting, subsequent instar of the cockroach nymphs are white and then turn reddish-brown, with the posterior margin of the thoracic abdominal segments being a darker color. Wings are not present in the nymphal stages, and wing pads become noticeable in the third or fourth instar. Complete development from egg to adult is about 600 days. The nymphs, as well as the adults, actively forage for food and water. Adult. The adult American cockroach is reddish-brown with a pale brown or yellow band around the edge of the pronotum.